Hi, I'm Revanth. This is part 17 of Web Services video series. In this session, we will discuss deploying or hosting web service in IIS. Important synopsis we will discuss in this video are types of hosting web service and requirements for hosting web service. So let's begin the tutorial. If you haven't watched the previous videos, I recommend to watch before proceeding this video. Types of hosting web service. These are the different types of hosting web service like self-hosting, IIS hosting, hosting in server like GoDaddy or Somi.com, and Windows Server, and VPN hosting, virtual private network hosting. For now, we will discuss how to host web service in a local IIS. Hosting web service in IIS. IIS means Internet Information Services, that is developed and provided by Microsoft to test the developed projects by deploying in IIS. Let's look in action how to deploy web service in IIS. Let's flip to Visual Studio. When we look at this web service, we have developed in the previous video. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I strongly recommend to watch before proceeding this video. So when we call this hello world method, it returns the string value. By calling this addition method, it will return the result of int A and int B addition. So let's deploy this project in our local IIS. To open local IIS, let's click and type inetmgr and click on OK button. That will open the Internet Information Service Manager, that is IIS. When we look at here, there is no project right now. So let's create one project and deploy that web service, this web service in IIS. Now let's create a project. Right click on the default website and click on add application. Enter alias name like web service demo. And click on default app pool and select the appropriate version. We have developed the project in .NET 4.5. Let's select that and click on OK button and select the physical path, that is in the C folder. Click on inetpub. Click on www root folder and click on new folder. Let's create web service demo name. And click on OK button. Now we have selected the physical path and alias name entered, and application pool is the .NET 4.5 version we have selected. Now click on OK button. That will create the application for us. When we look at here, in the content view there is no files. So let's copy those files to deploy in the IIS. For that, right click on the project and click on open folder in File Explorer and copy the files and let's right click on this space and click on explore and paste the files here. Now flip to IIS. Let's refresh this. So the files has been copied. Now right click on the project, click on manage application and click on browse button. Let's open web service .asmx. So our project opens. Let's click on hello world link and enter name. Click on invoke button. So it returns hello Revanth. And let's go back and click on addition link. Let's enter. A has 50, B has 10. Click on invoke button. So the addition is 60. So we have successfully deployed a web service in IIS. In next video we will discuss using Visual Studio deploying web service in IIS.
Thanks for watching. For references and resources, visit these links and subscribe to my YouTube channel for email alerts. Thank you.